Hi, this is the community development project for GF scholarship, and we'll be making peanuts. So the first thing is to gather all our peanut ingredients, and after gathering them, first thing we do is to wash our hands. After washing our hands, move on to the next step. Now this project is to empower young children of vocational studies. So the first thing we do is to add our nutmeg to our flour. We add our milk flavor to our flour. We add our salt to our flour. Then we mix that well. Make sure it is well mixed and mix thoroughly. So after mixing that, we break our egg in a separate bowl. We add our sugar and we whisk it well. Make sure that our egg is properly and well mixed so as to ensure a perfect peanut. Then we add our raw peanuts into our egg and sugar mixture. Then we mix that well. The reason is to make sure it is well coated and therefore brings out the best result. So we mix our egg well with our sugar, and then we put it in our flour mixture. After mixing that in our flour mixture, we separate it, then fry it. So after frying our peanuts, make sure our peanuts is well fried. After frying our peanuts, we have our and we bring it out of the oil, and then we have our end result. So then we moved on to our chin chin. We are making chin chin also today, and with our chin chin we add all our different ingredients as is seen on the screen. After adding our ingredients, we add our salt to our sugar, and then we mix that in water. Then after mixing that, make sure it is well mixed. We add our other ingredients into our flour, like our nutmeg, our baking powder, our flour, our sugared water. Yes, then we add our sugared water. Then we add our butter to that mixture. Then after adding our butter to the mixture, make sure we mix it well and make sure it comes out, because mixing it well ensure that it comes out very nice. So after mixing that, we bring it out of our bowl, then we roll it. Yes, so we'll be rolling that, and while we are rolling that, the main reason for this program is to ensure that every children is well engaged and ensure that they learn something new, a vocational training that empowers them. Yes, this community development is based on empowering young kids. So here we are, every other person added to our mixing, added to our rolling on the board, then we are cutting our dough. So we cut it to get the desired size that we want for our chin chin. So we cut it well. Here we are cutting it in rectangular shapes. So while one of us is cutting it presently, we make sure you cut it well so it brings out a very perfect result. Then after cutting that, we cut it the other way around and make sure it comes out in our rectangular thin shapes. So after gathering that together, next thing we do is to fry it. Yes, but while waiting before we fry that, one of us here is still busy cutting the rest of the chin chin dough. So after cutting it, making sure that everything is well gathered and separated, because while it is separated makes it come out nice rather than it being mixed together. So here we are frying our chin chin. The reason we are frying our chin chin here, when we are frying it, is to make sure that it comes out nice. We have to make sure it has a very nice brown color. That's why we are waiting with our chin chin. Make sure our oil is hot enough before we pour our chin chin into the oil. So after frying that and it has the perfect color, we bring it out, and here's our fully made chin chin. And that is all for our community development project. Thank you for joining us.